Hey guys, so I'm about to make some easy, simple, basic egg fried rice. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to cook my egg down first because I don't want to cook it into the rice. So I'm going to cook this egg down. Try not to get any color on this. And as soon as it tightens up, I'm going to pull it out. And this is 3 beaten eggs. See, it's already starting to tighten up. As soon as it's not liquidy, you want to pull that right out. So I'm going to pull this out the skillet and then let you guys see what it looks like. Alright, so egg is out. Put half of your scallions down in here in your rice. Alright, so I'm going to sprinkle on some sesame oil. Not too much. Just make sure you taste as you go. Oh, this smells good. Now you're going to start adding your soy sauce. You can use low sodium. My rice did not have salt in it, so I'm pretty good, but do not add salt if you're using soy sauce or full fat soy sauce. Well, full sodium soy sauce. Alright, so now that we're pretty much done, you're going to add your eggs back down in there. The rest of your scallions. Some pepper. And some black and white sesame seeds. Or if you have black, use black. If you have white, use white. Toss this and you're done. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like. Yes, I'm using a spoon. I'm going to taste it for y'all. It's not too salty. As I said, my rice didn't have any salt in it when I cooked it. And the eggs are still nice and fluffy. They're not cooked to death. And it has the crunchiness of the sesame seeds. So I hope you guys enjoy this easy, simple fried rice dish. I'm sure I'm going to have a pretty more, pretty and more ingredient one coming down the line. But I wanted some lunch and this is what I made. So I wanted to show it to you guys. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye. Look how fluffy the eggs are still. Just do them real quick and get them out the skillet. Alright guys, bye.